property is located, once you get on the property, the improvements to the property are located 8/10 of a mile down a dirt drive. I'm going to try and drive you down a little bit of it right now just so you can see how secluded it is once you get back to the actual horse barn. Again, that's the hay field where they grow their own hay for their horses. Alright, this is coming up on the end of the hayfield where we start to get back into some of the more wooded and cut over areas in the farm. And this is actually the location. There are 2 wells on the property, and this is actually the location of one of the wells that's up by the hayfield. It's right over there in that area. As you can see, it's just extremely private. See that? And here are the stables. This is the stables at 744 Smithway Lane. And we're going to take a tour of the apartment. This is the living area. Kitchenette. Or actually it's a full kitchen area. There's a full bath. Closets. Here's what would make a great office area. They're actually using it as a second bedroom. And here's a full bedroom with closet. And this is a half bath. We're going to take a tour of the outside area. Apartment's located in the center. Over here is a wash bay, hot and cold running water. And then there are 7 stalls down each side of the barn. There'll be 7 over here. There's a center courtyard and 7 stalls on the other side as well, with a storage feed room in the opposite corner over there. There's just some of the woods back behind the barn. It's a great place to have a food plot or corn pile back here along the power lines. And there's already a deer stand in place. You've got the length of the power lines out here.
Line low.
Here just went the ducks.
Come on, get up, geese. Get up, geese.
Off the 100-year floodplain on the back of the property, so there's some areas with sand and water back here. It's wonderful for hunters. We actually scared up some geese walking back here. hunter's paradise. This is, I wanted to get a shot coming up out of the woods. So this is the back of the barn, and that's the pasture area. This is the back of the barn. A shot out towards the pasture. And we got some wire fenced pasture area here. I actually think they're in the process of taking up. Back out into the woods that we just came from. Beautiful back there. This is the arena. It's got some fencing that needs some repairs on it, and that's the pasture in the far distance back there. And that's the entrance. Headed to the property.
No, she's taking pictures.
There's the round pen. The arena in the distance. Here's a little run-in out here in the pasture. And actually, all the horses have recently been moved, so there's no horses in the pasture right now. That's the fenced-in pasture area. And this is additional paddock areas here, back towards the barn. Here's the branch, the northern property line runs along the run of a branch. It kind of meanders back and forth. And then this is looking back towards the barn in an area that was being cut over. It's got large mature trees out there. This is the road leading back out of the farm. There is an abandoned home there. I just wanted to show you how far off the main road the property is located. I'm doing about 15 miles per hour. Here down the road. I think it's about 2,000 feet. That's, you know, the 20-foot easement. It's about 2,000 foot long. It gives you access to the property. And here's the highway, Curtis Ivy Road. And the property is on Smithway Lane. This is the highway, Curtis Ivy.